Hey friends, welcome back to Watavue Mountain. Not at the mountain today. We got a special review. We got this thing in the mail, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, maybe a couple months ago. I lost track of it. You know, we've been busy here. So we're going to just do a review, unboxing and review. It's the Inkerma ACE Tape. It's got a 130-foot laser and 16-foot tape. So we're just going to cut right to it. I'm not going to do the intro like we normally do. But I've already opened it because I had to play with it so I could do the video. But it comes with the instructions manual. You see a little space there. It came with its own batteries. And it's got this fancy little lanyard that you can hook to it if you want to use a lanyard. But the meat is here. So that's it. So it's pretty standard. The tape measure part. You can push the button, pull it out. You let go of the button, it keeps it in place. So you don't have to lock it like a traditional tape measure where you have to slide the little button up and down. It's already locked once you take your finger off the button. You can see it's pretty clear. You know, what is that? 16th inch increments. So 16th inch increments, nice and white and bright. And then again, if you just push the button, it retracts itself. So pretty standard as far as the tape measure goes with that part goes, right? Where the magic happens is right here. You can push this button, heard a beep. Now the laser's on. You can see on my hand it's a laser. And then if you push the button here, it beeps. And then it's going to give us a digital readout here. That was 9 and 13/16 inches. I don't know if you can see that on there. I'm trying to hold it so you can see it, but I can't see the screen. And then it's 0.820 feet, 0.250 meters, and it's 9 inches and 13/16 inches. So you can cycle through meters. So if you're a metric kind of person, you can do that. If you're an inches kind of person, you can do that. Or if you need to know total feet, then you can do that as well. And then you just click the button here to turn it off. Well, I lied. Hold the button to turn it off. Click it again to do another measurement. So there you go. So that's 73 inches. Now with this laser, it's important to know if you are measuring like this with the tape and you're like, well, wait a second, this says 10 inches, but when I hit the laser, it says something different. Well, because the laser measures from the back side of the tape. I've seen a couple other people review this and they missed that point. So I'll put it on the workbench here so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so let's just make it simple. I'm going to move it to right there is 2 feet from the tape to those hot hands. Okay, so it's 2 feet. So I'm going to hit the button. Oh, I missed it. Hit the button again. So we got the beep, right? We're right at 2 feet there. But now this is saying 2.24 inches, 0.684 meters, 2 feet 2 and 5/16 inches. So from the front of this to the back of this is 2 and 5/16 inches. So that's why it's measuring from that. So it's really kind of nice. So there you go. Pretty down and dirty, quick review. Now as far as durability, I mean, it doesn't feel any shabbier than, say, a Harbor Freight, you know, little $5.99 tape measure, but one of those doesn't come with the laser, which I think in bigger spaces would come in really handy. So you might be thinking, well, it's only 16 feet. What if I need to measure 25 feet? Well, you can. You can measure out to 130 feet with the laser, and I would imagine with pretty surprising accuracy. So. So that's it. So if you're in the market for a tape measure that can go out to 130 feet with the laser, I think $29.99-ish. This is April of 2025. So right around 30 bucks, you can get one of these with the laser off of Amazon. I was supposed to get a discount code if I get it. By the time I post this video, I'll put it down below for you. But if not, it was only 10%, so you'd only be saving $3. But either way, so there you go. That's it. The Inkerma ACE Tape. I think we're going to use it around here. Great for the DIYer. I don't think it would be super great for a professional because it's really not that sturdy. But other than that, I think it'll work out just fine. So thanks for coming. Thanks for checking us out. As always, we're blessed to have you along with us. Super blessed that they just sent us this out of the blue and asked us to review it. And look for it in our upcoming video. So look up this way, check out another video. And till next time, be safe. God bless.